Yo, what's up? Good morning, good morning. Y'all be wondering where was I for the past week? Well, let me tell you, I had the pleasure of fixing this comfort room at one of our motel room here at Treadwind Motel. Oh heck yeah, I can be an handyman sometimes, willing to get my hands dirty here and there. Here you see me installing a brand spanking new vanity sink and then on to the shower faucet that was messed up in the first place. As you can see, I installed it all brand spanking new right there. You know, y'all be coming down for this summer. There will be no rooms here on the island of Koshai, and this room is ready to go. I got your fresh paint job. I got your fresh toilet bowl. I got your fresh vanity sink. I got your fresh shower. I got your hot water. I got your water pressure on high, because that's one issue here on the island. It's all been fixed now. So what else could you ask for? You want to find out more about accommodations here on the island of Koshai, especially this one here at Treadwind Motel? I can easily hook you up. Hit me up, brother hair, right there in the comment section, or just shoot me a private message and I can get back with you with all the information you need. There are some packages going on right now if you want. If you have an upcoming trip coming up, a business trip maybe, a room like this with an SUV doesn't have to cost you a fortune. I can get you this within $100. Easy.